In this example, we will start to charge the car with a 16 amps single phase charger using a grid monitoring or without the grid monitoring. First, I start charging. Grid monitoring is on. The car I use for this example is Tesla. It's just connected here, it's charging. Okay, we achieved full speed. The breakers are here. I just switch on the water heater. As you see, the speed is down now to save the... we are boiling the water. Alright, now I stop the charging. Now I switch off the grid monitoring. I start charging again. The water kettle uses the same phase as the car charger. So if I switch on the boiling of water, it will load also the same phase. Alright, now there is without the grid monitoring, I switch on the kettle. The breaker is off.